Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2005 Mazda 3, stock number 6480. This ran from 10th 2003 to the 6th 2006. It has a now 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy Omega tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy Omega tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy Omega tyre. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.